Welcome back everyone to yet another video. Let's talk about subscription plans of Midjourney. So basically when you sign up to Midjourney, you can create 25 free images. After those 25 free images, approximately 25 free images, you have to subscribe to Midjourney. So basically you can try Midjourney out. You can create 25 to at least 30 images and then you have to subscribe. So let's see what are the subscriptions and how you can subscribe to Midjourney plans. I just press / and search subscribe. So subscribe to Midjourney. I'll just click over here and press enter. So here you can see open subscription page. I'll just press yup, I want to have a subscription. So here you can see we have a yearly billing or monthly billing, of course. So let's see what the plans are offering. We have 3 plans: basic plan, standard plan, and pro plan. So when it comes to basic plan, you can generate 200 images per month. These are available for commercial use, and you can create 3 jobs, 3 generations at a time. So basically you can give 3 prompts at a time and they will start generating. So here inside a standard plan, you can see we have fast generation for 15 hours. So basically for 15 hours you can generate images faster, and after that you will generate images a little bit slower. So here you can see in the basic plan you have 200 generations per month. Here you can generate unlimited. You have commercial use available, and also you can have 3 consecutive jobs running. In the pro plan you can see that 30 hours of fast generation. So basically you can generate images faster for 30 hours and then it will generate a little bit slower. Unlimited images, commercial use is available. Also you can generate images in a stealth image generation. For example, if you can see here, this person has generated an image but I can see it too. So basically if anyone is generating any image, I can see it. But with pro plan, and this is stealth image generation, basically with pro plan, whenever I create any image, only I can see it. And we can generate 12 consecutive jobs we can create, and 12 consecutive images will be generating at the same time. So basically you can go with the basic plan once you are good and you think you have to buy this. Then you can go with the basic plan. It is good. 200 images per month is really good. Okay, so let's see how Midjourney works in the next video.